Got the lace to the front, lace to the back. Got it jizzled all over. Now I'm looking like a snack. Get reviewed by my neighbors, so you know it's gonna be fast. This ain't even sponsored here long. Without the track, flip it over to the left. Now on the other side, baby, here's lay naturally. So that lace to high, lace, where you at? Lace, where you at? Please, give me that. Where you get that at? Let me see what's that. Did it come with the straps? How much was it? Let me touch it. I love it. Face it. They made it who? Premium lace with cute full lace wig that came from Premium Lace Wig. That's how good they are. Even though I sound bad, they just amazing. Yo, I didn't have to do no plucking. Like, I didn't pluck anything yet. I will. I didn't even bleach my knots. Like, did you touch my wig, Jesus? Only you can make something this perfect, Jesus. You know, you just ooh, come back. And it's just so silky. Ain't that stiff weave? This that real. This is Malaysian, I think. I think I did choose Malaysian. Y'all, I know it's bad that I don't remember which one I chose. But it came in a really pretty box. Looking like a really pretty fox. Excuse me. And it's not even locked. It's a loose. You gotta brush your fingers through it. No shutting. Y'all, this is a hit. This is really a hit. Like, all I had to do when I cut the lace, I just had to cut the ear tab piece because it was covering my ear. But that's because I got a small little head. But if you got a small little head like me, all you have to do was cut it and it still look nice. Boom, coming from behind my ear, coming out my scalp. Oh my gosh. Ooh. See, that's that good hair. Nothing tangled. Look, boom. You don't hear no crunchy crunch. Let me part. Let's show. I do need to, you know, pluck some parts a little bit because it's a nice 250% density wig. But you could part it. Look, I need the comb. It came with a pretty comb. I mean, not a pretty comb. It was a normal comb, but I'm not even gonna guess. I'm guessing right now, pretty comb. But it was a normal comb. But I was happy, like, y'all gave me a comb. Like, thank you. I appreciate it. It came with a band like this. So if you want it to be like a glueless frontal, do that. Let's do it so that I can sew it. And, if you want to know how to do it, you could comment and tell me that you want me to do a tutorial or how I put this on or how I do this and put that this. I'll show you. Or you can most certainly look at the same videos I learned it from right here on YouTube for free. And, you know, do it. You look at those videos yourself. I'll link them. Or, like, you know, if you want to see me do it in a wrap, add a wrap to it. Y'all know what I do, spice it up. Okay. Yeah, it came with a pouch. It came in a nice little, ooh, silky silk. Even though this might be polyester. I don't really know my fabrics like that, but I'm gonna start sewing too because I do sew. I do everything, y'all. Like, you will see on this channel because I'm about to do better. I deserve to have my own show. Give me them vocal lessons, baby. Give me them vocal lessons, baby. Oh, it came with 2 wig caps. The color of my skin. Premium lace wigs. How you knew my skin was that color? How you knew the color of my skin, huh? Because it wasn't like the light skin color. It was the brown skin mocha choker. Me. Toka boca color. And it matched. And I was glad. I was so happy. I was like, oh my God, they know me. They don't even know me, but they know me. They never even seen me before, but they knew that my color was a nice caramel, smooth latte mocha chocolate cha cha. You know I was about to do that. Okay. But yeah, they came with a nice little pouch. Call it a wallet, pouch, whatever. Put your makeup in there. This don't come in here, no, because I seen a video of this girl and she ordered from Premium Lace Wigs. She had the same pouch. She opened it thinking there was gonna be something in there and there was nothing in there. So I'm not about to play myself. Ain't nothing in here. Just the pouch. Yeah. And oh, and even came with some bobby pins and some clips. But when I wanted to, you know, customize it some more, they knew. See, I love them, and this is not the last time I'm going to do business with them, because this is not a sponsored video either. I'm doing this out of honesty, because I thought the girl was lying. I was like, that's too good to be true. Like, a full lace wig that cheap, and all the websites I looked on, they like $400, $500. And this what, 22, 24 inches? Wait, this comes to, yo, this, I'm not even lying. I just don't want to show y'all my waist. All right, let me show y'all. This comes to, this is my, like, my waist. Like, my waist, seriously. I have my torso is not that long. Okay, I'm going to look like this for the whole video. Maybe, if I can. But look, it even got the sideburns. I even cut it and it's still there. You know, I didn't even have to pluck the edges. It was already plucked. I just needed to cut them a little bit. And look at this side. I always take a liking to the left side, but the right side is pretty too. Maybe I need to do a little more cutting with the lace. I mean, not the lace, the edges. But I even like to do just straight black. Guys, I almost fell out of my bloody chair. Oh my goodie. OG golly goo. But yeah, so maybe I need to do a little bit more plucking, because look, it looks like I'm a little vampire. See that? You know how vampires have like the little buffiness, like, hi. I love this. I was walking downtown in my neighborhood, and they said, even a guy, like he was a man, and he also said, I love your hair. And I was like, oh my goodness, thank you, I love my hair too. Would you like to get your girlfriend one? But I wasn't even trying to ask him if he had a girlfriend. I just was, I'm rambling, I'm so sorry. I'm supposed to be talking about the hair, just the hair. Why am I talking about so much more than hair? My tongue is not yellow, it's actually green because I ate a Jolly Rancher. I love to play. But yes, look, I didn't bleach the knots. Yes, I know, I still need to bleach the knots. I still need to, you know, I did the meltdown method with this. I did the meltdown method. Don't you like what lace right there? But what lace, girl? You said you saw lace. Don't be a snitch. You ain't see no lace. You ain't see the lace. You ain't see the lace. Stop looking at the lace. Because I just need to bleach the knots, and I'm gonna bleach the knots. I just didn't feel like doing it because I was too excited to wear my wig because I loved it so much. I have so much energy. It's not even like I ate candy, I got energy. It's like I just automatically wake up with energy because I love having energy, and I just wake up with energy because I always have energy, and I love to talk really fast because it makes me so happy. So maybe sometimes talking fast make you really happy, and it make you really Ooh, you could even put this in a ponytail. You could put this in a ponytail and you even got that bulky look. And if you feel like you got the bulky look, girl, you feel like your ponytail got the bulky look, all you gotta do is pluck it. All you gotta do is pluck it. They ain't even gonna see the lace. They ain't gonna see the lace. I wish y'all could feel how soft this is. I slept in this. 3 days I've been wearing this wig. I didn't want to do the tutorial right away. I mean the review right away, because I wanted y'all to see the truth. Like, because everything looked good at first. I just wanted to see if it was really real. Like, the quality is amazing. The lace, I mean, you can't really see it. Because if I bleach these knots, honey, you ain't gonna see nothing. And look, you do not see you barely see the lace. The only reason you see that lace is because I ain't bleached knots. And you don't even see the lace, you just see the dots because I ain't bleached knots. And you know I'm fox. Ha! Stop it, stop it. Oh, look, now you're trying to hike. Oh, no hike. Because my edges, they piped. They piping. Call me stocking pippins. Put me in some chitlins, cause I'm a meal, not a snack. You a bill, and that's whack. You a liability, like an act. Call me tranquility, and that's a fact. Look at me, I'm black. Ha, master that. Okay, but yeah. Y'all want to see the back. I need to brush the hair, but what you say? Huh? You said something else? I thought you just said something. And even if your wig come off and is laying on the ground looking sad, pick it up, and guess what? Still gonna be cute. Still can't see the, because premium lace wig VIP section for only like the bomb people, because y'all that's paying $500, $600, $1,200 for these wigs that I paid $240 for, honey, you must be really rich. And I commend you. That's good. But I got the same hair as you for $240 and free express shipping. Like, can I tell y'all, I ordered this Sunday. I got this Wednesday morning. What? Yes. Newark, New Jersey, US of A. From, I think, China. What, honey? Good hair, good lace, no shedding. Smell a little bit processed, but ain't really bad. And no offense, girls, don't come at me in the comments. Just be nice and love me. But come on now. And it didn't hurt my pocket. Oh yes. And this is birthday here. It's Saturday. Like, so today, so my birthday is 7 days from now. I'm gonna keep this hair in. The only thing different I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dye it, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I dye it in the next tutorial, because I think y'all should know about this hair. This is the rough cut of the hair. This is it in its natural state. Just the edges are cut. I didn't tweeze. I didn't do none of that. All I did was cut the edges to make them a little shorter because they was long baby hair. Like, I put the wig on, glued it, used the Ghost Bond, did the meltdown method, watching the YouTube tutorial that some other girl did, and she did an awesome job because I just followed what she did, and you know, that's what I did. But this is just the raw cut. It's hard to show y'all the plucking and all of that stuff when it's like, when I'm doing it, because I look at it and you can't see it because the camera is like this, so I'm like this. It's really hard, but I can show y'all. I can show y'all the dyeing process. If not, I'll just show y'all how it look. And if y'all want me to do tutorials, all you gotta do is comment and tell me that's what you want, because I am for the people. So if you want to see a tutorial, I'll do the tutorial the best way I can. But if I don't know if y'all want me to do it or not, like, I'm not going to risk y'all not really caring to watch it and me just wasting my time and my battery and my memory and my iPhone 7 Plus that I still have, because I still didn't upgrade, and I really want to upgrade to the iPhone X. Okay, this, that, those, this, that, those, this, that, those, this, that, those. One smart fellow, he felt smart. Two smart fellows, they felt smart. Three smart fellows, and they all felt smart. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. I'm a mother pheasant plucker. I pluck mother pheasants. I'm the best mother pheasant plucker who's ever plucked mother pheasants. You try to say everything I just said in this video. Well, not in the video, but just now. What you don't understand? You awesome. You awesome. Alright, bye. I mean, like, comment, subscribe.
Not neighbor. Right on the beat. This got them all on me. Now all my exes tryna call on me. Got they new girls tryna follow me. I'ma tell them about this. They gonna count us straight.